Hello, welcome to talk about the most transistor manufacture process. Last time we have this structure, the P-type substrate and the oxide layer and the nitride layer, and the B element implantation here, and we use the furnace to do the oxidation process with high temperature to do with the substrate. And after the furnace process, the oxidation by the furnace equipment, we get the silicon oxide like this form, and here we call it the bird beak shape. And because it's a little bit expansion, the nitride layer here a little bit bending, and this is the oxidation furnace process. And because we through the furnace process with high temperature diffusion and help ion B driving the ion B here to drive into the deeper to the substrate, and we said the ion B driving to the substrate and to form channel stop, the anti-capacity effect. Now we have the isolation here. Now then, the nitride layer we don't need. We use the wet etching process, remove the nitride layer. Then we have the oxide layer and the channel stop here. Until now, the LOCOS process complete. Okay, let's all see you next time.